Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by Profotech Solutions team. I am Sanjay. We are going to start a new exciting playlist of Laravel, something called Laravel Admin Panel Development Beginners Tutorial, and this is our part 1. Inside this video session guys, we will discuss about its introduction and what we have inside the playlist pan we will discuss inside this video. And also guys, if you're a beginner to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and keep watching our other playlists to get the clear concept about Wordpress Customizations and PHP Frameworks. So before starting this playlist guys, I strongly suggest you to watch all the videos of Laravel inside this playlist that we have made called Laravel version 5.4 playlist. This contains 37 videos which basically covers all the basic concepts of Laravel, all the relationships and much more many things. After watching these videos guys, these playlists actually going to be a much more beneficial tutorial for you. Inside this admin panel development, first of all, what is admin panel? Admin panel is a backend website. By the help of that, we can manage every type of metrics, data and listing. So for any website, admin panel is much more important for that. So what we have inside this playlist means what we are going to cover inside the whole playlist of Laravel admin panel. So if you go to the next tab, so the first part, something called Laravel introduction. Inside this Laravel introduction guys, you can watch all those videos from this playlist. After watching those, this is the plans that we are going to cover inside this playlist. First of all, we have to download an admin template. Basically, we will download from next video session of any free theme provided by our multiple websites. By downloading that admin template, we are going to set up into Laravel. So basically, we have version 5.4, 5.7 currently running, but we have used actually Laravel version 5.4. By setting all these things into Laravel, we are going to take the concept of user authentication, middlewares, routes, route groups and auth. This is a section which covers all user authentication system in Laravel. Basically, these are the topics which we have not covered inside this playlist. So for these concepts, you can watch all those videos from this playlist. Now after setting all these user authentication, first of all, we have to set about the admin pages. What are those admin pages? Admin pages means we have some menus and submenus. We have some forms. We have some data listing. So all these we have to convert inside our Laravel pages. After setting all these internal pages, suppose we have called thousands of records in any menus. So how can we list all the data inside our admin panel? For that, we are going to use a server-side data table listing, something called Yajra box data table in Laravel. This is a package which we use inside this playlist. After making all these things, we are going to wrap all various types of models, migrations. For the dummy data, we will use factory, and by the help of some seeding command, we are going to use called seed in our Laravel. By going through this playlist guys, we are going to cover various things in Laravel. So if you go to our YouTube channel, this is all about the basics and about the features of Laravel. So by the help of that concept, by using this concept, we are going to develop a admin panel in version 5.4. So because this is our first video session guys, so we have discussed about it, introduction and what we have plans inside this playlist. And if you are expert in Laravel, then this playlist might not be helpful to you, but if you are a beginner, then this playlist is going to be much beneficial tutorial for you. So from the next video session guys, we are going to start our download and setting all these things in Laravel. So if you have any doubt inside this video session guys, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.